If you're seeking engineering consultation or need expert guidance in your projects, don't forget to visit our website, www.eprogrammer.com. Stick around till the end for insightful tips and tricks. Remember to like, share, and drop any questions in the comments below. Welcome to our sorting safari. We're using Turtle graphics to visually bring sorting algorithms to life. Randomness is the spice of life, and we'll use it to create an array of numbers to sort. Picture time. This function draws a bar representing a number in our array. Start coloring our bar. It's like filling a bucket with paint. Turtle turns left. No, this isn't a dance, just drawing a bar. Up goes the turtle, drawing the height of our bar. Writing the number on top of the bar. It's like a hat for the number. A quick turn to the right. We're drawing the top of the bar now. Move forward to complete the top of the bar. Another right turn. Down we go. Bring the turtle back down. The bar is almost ready. One last turn to get back to our starting orientation. And we're done filling. One bar complete. Let's get sorting. We're doing the bubble sort, a classic dance of numbers. How many numbers are we juggling? Let's count. Starting our dance through the array. We're comparing each number with its neighbor. Oops, wrong order? Time to swap. Swap the numbers. Let's draw the array again to show the swap. Drawing time again. Let's show our array on the screen. Clear the stage. Out with the old, in with the new. Lift the pen. No drawing while we move to the start position. Moving the turtle to a good starting point. Pen down. Ready, set, draw. For each number in our array. Draw a bar representing the number. Move a bit to the right before drawing the next bar. Let's create a random array of numbers. It's like rolling dice. Our screen is the canvas for our sorting story. Give our story a title. Here's our artist, the sorting turtle. Blue, the color of wisdom. Perfect for our sorting expert. A nice sky blue fill for our bars. First, we draw the unsorted array. It's a bit of a mess, like a before picture. And now, let the sorting begin. Watch as order emerges from chaos. Let's keep the screen open to admire our sorted array. It's a masterpiece. Now we run the program, and here is the result. It's fascinating to see how the code transforms into a functional tool. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and share. Your support is greatly appreciated. And if you're in need of expert consulting for your projects, be sure to visit eprogrammer.com. We have a team of professionals ready to help you tackle your toughest challenges. Thank you for watching, and remember, your engagement helps us create more useful content for you.